one integers. I can identify and compare the order integers.
Thank you, Savitar. I can identify, compare, and order integers. All right, so Savitar introduced the lesson to us. We just did these notes. You guys, we started off with vocab. Can somebody explain to me really quickly, because this is a huge word, what is an integer? Can you just read what an integer is? Hannah, can you read really loudly what an integer is?
Integer. A set of positive whole numbers and their opposite.
Hannah, is 3 7/10 an integer?
No.
No, 3 7/10 is not an integer, everybody, because it's not a
Whole number.
because it's not a whole number. Okay, 3 7/10 is not a whole number, so it's not an integer. Okay, positive integers would be on the positive side of 0, and negative integers would be on the...
Negative side.
You guys are really good at this already. A cheat sheet idea. So this is what we summarized it all with. I'm not always just going to read the cheat sheet ideas, but an opposite means a whole number, and that same number with a negative sign. So an opposite means you take a whole number and that exact same number and put a negative in front of it. Okay? Reading integers. Give me an example of a word that means a negative. Give me an example of a word that means a negative. I don't know who's trying to airplane in. Svetlana.
Choose the best answer.
A less of 40.
Okay, a loss of 40. So loss means negative, right? Give me a number that means a positive. Kanya.
15.
No, above. Just the word above, right? Does above mean positive?
Yeah.
Gain. Gain is what? Is gain a positive or a negative?
Positive.
Decline.
Negative.
Negative. Good. Okay. Good. We get the idea there. Inequalities. What are the 4 inequalities you must know? There are 4 inequalities you must know. They are what, Ben?
Less than.
Less than.
Greater than.
Greater than.
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to.
Greater than or equal to.
Greater than or equal to. Wonderful. And remember, the open side of the alligator mouth is the side that is the
Bigger.
bigger number, right? So if we have 3 is less than 7, what's the bigger number? 7, because the alligator wants to eat the bigger number, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, moving on. Last section, graphing on number lines. If I asked you to graph the integer 2 and its opposite, how far away from 0 is the 2 and the negative 2 going to be, everybody?
2.
2. Can a number be a negative distance from anywhere?
No.
Can you ever be a negative distance from anywhere?
No.
No, you can never be a negative distance. Is it okay to be creative on your number line numbering, and instead of going by 1s, go by 5s, 10s, 15s, 20s, or whatever?
Yes.
Yes, as long as it makes sense with the numbers you are graphing. Questions?